Ever wondered what makes the technology behind image processing tick? Well, today, we're delving into the world of image erosion, a fundamental operation that's more prevalent and crucial than you might think. Erosion, in the context of image processing, is an operation that systematically eliminates pixels from the outer layer of shapes or objects within an image. This technique is incredibly versatile, finding its place in several fields and applications. One of the most common uses of erosion is in noise reduction. Erosion helps filter out small, irrelevant objects, often referred to as noise, from an image. This way, the focus remains on the main objects, which remain relatively unaffected. Erosion also simplifies the shapes of objects within an image. By gradually peeling off layers from the outside, erosion helps in reducing complexity, making further analysis of the image much easier. In situations where objects are slightly touching or are incredibly close to each other, erosion can be a game changer. It separates these objects, helping analysts to study them individually, free of any overlap or confusion. Size filtering is another fascinating application of erosion. By removing objects below a certain size, erosion helps focus on larger, more significant objects. This is particularly useful when the smaller objects in an image are of no interest to the observer. Erosion also finds its place in boundary detection. While primarily aimed at removing pixels from objects, the difference between the original image and the eroded image can reveal object boundaries. When erosion is applied iteratively along with other morphological operations, it can help extract the skeleton of an object. This simplifies the analysis of the overall shape or structure of objects. Often, erosion is used to prepare an image for subsequent dilation. This process, part of an opening operation, assists in removing small objects while maintaining the shape and size of larger ones. Erosion is also instrumental in image segmentation. It simplifies region boundaries, making it easier to distinguish and label different parts of an image. The application of erosion extends to fields like forensic analysis and biometrics as well. It enhances the visibility of features in fingerprint analysis and other related applications. In the field of medical imaging, erosion proves to be a valuable tool. It aids in highlighting specific structures, removing small artifacts, or preparing images for further analysis, such as segmenting different anatomical parts in MRI or CT scans. In conclusion, erosion, often combined with other morphological operations like dilation, opening, and closing, offers a robust toolkit for image preprocessing, analysis, and feature enhancement. So, the next time you see a high-quality, noise-free image, remember the unsung hero, erosion.